Why is data tagging crucial for legal retention policies? Imagine trying to find a specific document in a sea of files without any labels or categories. It would be nearly impossible to locate what you need quickly or prove compliance later. That's where data tagging comes into play. Data tagging involves attaching labels or metadata to digital information to identify its type, sensitivity, origin, and purpose. Think of it as giving each piece of data a clear ID badge. In the world of data privacy and compliance, organizations are required to keep certain types of data for specific periods. These rules come from laws like the General Data Protection Regulation, the California Consumer Privacy Act, or sector-specific laws such as the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act or the Sarbanes-Oxley Act. These laws also requiring that data no longer needed must be securely deleted or archived. Without knowing what data exists and why it's kept, organizations risk breaking these rules. Data tagging helps organizations automatically classify data based on legal and regulatory needs. For example, personal data, financial records, employment files, and audit logs each have different retention periods and handling rules. When data is tagged at the moment it is created or collected, it becomes easier to apply the right retention policies. This reduces the chance of deleting data too soon or keeping it longer than allowed, which could lead to fines or privacy violations. From an artificial intelligence and technology law perspective, data tagging is especially important. Automated systems and artificial intelligence tools relying on tags to manage large amounts of data efficiently. These systems can automatically identify sensitive or regulated data and apply the correct retention rules. This helps organizations stay compliant without needing to manually review every piece of information. It also makes responding to legal requests or audits faster and more accurate. Legal defensibility is another key reason data tagging is vital. If a regulatory investigation or lawsuit occurs, organizations need to show that they managed their data properly. Tagged data provides a clear record of how each piece was classified, retained, and disposed of. This transparency can protect organizations from accusations of mishandling data or noncompliance. Practically speaking, data tagging allows organizations to set retention periods based on data type and legal requirements. It helps identify data that must be kept for legal holds or special cases. It makes audits and reporting easier by quickly locating relevant data. It also minimizes the risk of keeping data longer than necessary, which could expose the organization to privacy fines. Finally, it supports secure disposal by ensuring only the right data is deleted or archived. In short, data tagging is a key tool for managing data in line with legal and regulatory rules. It helps organizations handle their data responsibly, use technology effectively for compliance, and maintain clear records of their data management practices.